Hi friends, this is the D flat concert scale notes. So D flat concert is the scale, but this is for E flat instruments, which means this is just for alto sax and bari sax. If you are not one of those instruments, you're watching the wrong video, so go away. All right, let's pop over to our notes document and start writing some things down. So again, this is alto bari sax. No matter what your instrument is, this is still the D flat concert scale. Okay, so D flat concert. What is your first note? We always go, I'm gonna change over to red here. So D flat is here on the circle of fourths. That's the name of the scale. Your first note is always 3 clicks counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3 clicks counterclockwise. So that's your first note. Okay, and that would work for transposing anything, anytime you're trying to transpose. So, first note is B flat. Then I fill out the rest of these boxes figuring out letter names. I go in alphabetical order. I almost forgot the alphabet, so that's cool. Nope, I did forget the alphabet. Don't tell anyone. There is no H, so I start over again at A, and then I get back to where I started. Then I need to figure out which notes are flat or sharp. So once again, should I change to a purple highlight? Okay, so my first note was B flat. So I go top of the circle here is C. That is 0 flats. Then as I see how it says add flats here, then I go to F is 1 flat. I go to B flat is 2 flats. So it's that simple, 0, 1, 2 flats over here. How do I know which flats they are? Then I look at my order of flats, or I just remember this word, bijekuf. Order of flats is down here. So flats are always in the same order. So my first two are B and E. So I go down to my scale down here on the bottom, and I put a flat by the B. There's 2 B's actually. And then I put a flat by the E. So B's and E's are flat. All right, so now I have my letter names. I know the letter names of the scale. So I'm gonna go to the next page, figure out my starting pitch for this scale. So let's draw a treble clef, vertical line, small loop, big loop, and a cute little tail down at the bottom. You have 2 flats, B and E. They should read that way from to right. B and E flat, that's your key signature. Then first note of the scale is going to be the same for alto and bari. We're all going to start on this B flat and work our way up to this B flat. So that's true if you're an alto player or a bari player. Then I'm going to go here and insert a fingering chart to highlight fingerings. So now I'm going to grab a fingering chart off of Schoology. So I go over here. That's not your fingering chart. I'm in, notice, week of October 4th. I'm in the band music folder. Then there's a fingering charts folder. And I've got a saxophone fingering chart right there. It's not my favorite fingering chart. We should get you a different one. But for now, I screenshot that guy. Pop back over into Notability and go here. See if I can find my screenshot. There it is. Throw that in, stretch it out a little. Okay, then I'm gonna grab my highlighter and find the notes. Find the notes for this scale. We said that B flat was our first note, so I'm looking for that. Here's a B flat right here. So look at that fingering. Notice, I'm gonna zoom in. This fingering chart, like I said, is a little odd. This thing right here means that I'm using my side B flat key. So obviously you gotta make sure you notice that, otherwise you're just playing an A. Okay, so first note was B flat, and then my next note was C, then it was D, then it was E flat, then it was F, G, A, and B flat, which once again uses that side B flat key. So those are the fingerings for the notes in this scale. Now I just go ahead and practice it until I'm blue in the face. Good luck.